1-minute video voice script, CLPFD times taxi number. Midnight to 0:05. Today, I'll show you constraint programming in Prolog, CLPFD. 0:05 to 0:12. Do you know the famous Ramanujan taxi number? It's a number that can be written as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. 0:12 to 0:20. Here's the problem: find four different numbers A1, B1, A2, and B2 such that A1 cubed plus B1 cubed equals A2 cubed plus B2 cubed. 0:20 to 0:35. With CLPFD, you don't write an algorithm. You just describe the constraints, set the range, enforce all values to be different, and declare the equation using constraint operators. 0:35 to 0:45. The key idea is simple: you describe what must be true, not how to compute it. 0:45 to 0:55. When you run it, Prolog finds the solution: 1 cubed plus 12 cubed equals 9 cubed plus 10 cubed. That's 1729. 0:55 to 1 o'clock. No search code needed. Prolog solves it for you. That's the power of CLPFD.